Hey guys, welcome back. Blah 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 blah. Can you play the music one more time? Yeah, Donnie, bring in the bot.
Alright, I'm just gonna play some shit.
I'm looking for something, but you can put something on for a while. Oh, I got something. A little dramatic, but I think it'll fit.
That's nice.
Faelon,
Truth.
before I die, I need you to know something about your mother that I never told you before.
Okay.
There's a locket. A locket in your mother's drawer, upstairs. I'm sure the drawer has fallen out of the house after the dragon attacked it. Inside of that locket, Faelon, there's a picture. A picture of a child. That child, Faelon, is your brother.
I have a brother?
You do. His name is Raylon. He's not like you though, Faelon. He isn't as smart. He isn't as strong. He isn't as handsome.
Father, I'll find him.
I need you to promise me that you'll protect him, my son.
Yes, of course.
Protect him.
Avenge our clan. I'm dying.
No!
I am dead.
You guys saw like the camera zoom out, right? Holding him in his arms, he looks up at the sky.